everyone, it's KyReviews, and today I will be reviewing this cute short bob from Amazon.com. So if you're interested in this unit, then please keep on watching. So in today's video, I have this unit from Civrie store on Amazon.com, and they've reached out to me to review this unit for you all. So this unit is a kind of asymmetrical bob. This side is shorter, on the left is shorter, and the right side it's longer. So it is a very cute bob. I do like the style of this unit. So before I get into my thoughts, let me give you the specs of this unit. So this unit is a left-sided part. This is the only part that it does come with, and it is a ear-to-ear lace. On the internals of the cap, it has 3 combs, 2 at the front, 1 at the back with adjustable straps. And of course, the color only comes in 1B. This is a synthetic unit, so it is heat safe as well. Just keep the degrees in between 300 to 370, just so that it wouldn't burn the unit. I did go ahead and put a wax stick at the top and flatten it so that it stays normal, like it stays flat and nice and natural looking. It is a cute wig. I do love this bob. I do like the style of it, which is different. I don't think I have anything like this. It is a very cute wig. It's one of those wigs that is like, it's stylish, but it's not doing too much in terms of the color department and the style. It is very pretty and it looks very cute. In the packaging, when you get it, it will not look like this in terms of giving it that type of volume. So what you want to do is just go ahead and give it a little shake, go in and do that to kind of give it that type of volume for the hair, so it does give off a nice little volume. That's what I've been doing with this unit here, just doing that so that way it will give it a nice volume for the unit, because you don't want it to lay super flat and you do want to give it some personality. So you do definitely want to do that, and once you get your unit, to go ahead and play around with it with your head shape and your face shape and all of that, and really fix it to your liking. As you all can see here, this is how the wig is. I do like it, and that's the parting space there. It is considered a glueless install, so you do not need to put any glue to it. You could put glue to it if you would like, but I don't have it stick down, so it is working perfectly fine for me. I do like how this wig lays, and she does look quite cute. In terms of any tangles, I have 0 tangles with this unit. It is a short unit, so you wouldn't have that issue in terms of tangling that much, unless if you mat it yourself, but it does not have any tangles with me. The shedding only happens when I cut the lace, and that's about it. There's no sort of like shedding or anything like that. So in terms of any cons of this unit, I have 0 cons for this unit. It is very nice. I do like the style. It is different and it's very beautiful as well. And as far as any colors that it comes in, it doesn't come with any other colors. The same listing does have bob wigs, but they are different in style and in color. So once you get onto that page, you would see the different styles, including this one. But you will have to truly, if you go in, you might see something else that you like, but it is on the same listing. But as far as this particular style, it doesn't come with any other colors. It's just a 1B. So yeah, this is very beautiful. I do like the style. It is simple, but yet it does have a little spunk to it, which I do like. So thank you so much, Civrie store, for reaching out to me to review this unit. I truly appreciate it. And also don't forget to follow me on all of my social media platforms. Links will be down below. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. And I will see you all in another one. Take care. Bye.